As far as weight gain during pregnancy, we have what's considered normal, and it's all based on your BMI, which is your basic metabolic index. The BMI, if it's 25 to, or I'm sorry, 17 to 25 is considered normal. If a woman has a normal BMI, then we say that she should gain between 25 to 35 pounds during the pregnancy. If a woman comes into the pregnancy weighing higher than 25 in the BMI, then the actual weight gain should be less. So we say that it should be anywhere from 15 to 25 pounds. And if a woman comes in a little bit underweight with the BMI being less than 17, or if she has multiple gestations, then we do suggest a higher weight gain. It can be anywhere from 30 to 40 pounds. As far as calories in pregnancy go, we normally suggest that you increase the number of calories by 300 calories a day during the pregnancy. After delivery of importance is that the production of breast milk burns so many calories that you actually have to increase your calories to 500 calories above your basic metabolic rate. So if a woman's usually on a 15 to 1800 calorie diet when she's not pregnant, she should be on a 21 to 2200 calorie diet while she's pregnant. And after pregnancy, actually increase it more to the 22 to 2500 calorie in order to adequately maintain her body functions. Pregnancy is not the time to all of a sudden start a new exercise program. If you've been exercising before pregnancy started, most likely you can maintain the same exercise program that your body has already become accustomed to. If you were not exercising on a routine basis, then we usually suggest certain restrictions on your activity. We suggest you check your pulse and use your pulse as a guide. If it gets to 130 beats per minute, then we need to slow down. If it gets to 140, that activity needs to stop.